Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making a deli-style chicken salad sandwich. Before we get into that, I really want to thank all my amazing viewers and thank you so much for coming back and helping to support the channel. It means the world to me that you continue to join me in my kitchen. And so with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and let's make a deli-style egg salad sandwich. For our deli-style egg salad, we're going to need eggs, mayo, Dijon mustard, celery, vinegar, white pepper, kosher salt, and green onions. So the first thing we need to do for our egg salad is to boil our eggs. So I've got my eggs in a pan with enough water to cover them. So we're going to turn this on high, and once this comes up to a boil, we're going to turn off the heat and cover them. So our water has come up to a boil. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the heat, and we are going to cover this and let this sit for 15 minutes. Okay, so we have us an ice bath set up, and so we are going to add our eggs into the ice bath, and we are going to let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So our eggs have been soaking for 15 minutes. Now we just need to peel them. Okay, so we have our eggs in a large bowl, and we are going to be breaking up half of them using a masher, because what we want is we want some different texture throughout the sandwich. So we're going to break some of this up. If you have a potato masher, you can use that, or you can just use like a fork. So there, we've got this mashed up. And then for the rest of our eggs, we're going to just break these up with our hand. Because once again, we want different texture throughout our egg salad. All right, right this way. And there we go. All right, so get these gloves off. And we're going to get that out the way. So to this, we are going to be adding salt and pepper, our green onions, our celery. Let's get all that celery out of there. Okay. Our Dijon mustard and our mayo. And some vinegar. Give this a good mix and make sure everything gets incorporated. All right, now we just need to taste and make sure we're good with our salt and pepper. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, so now we're going to start building our sandwich. All right, so I have me some lightly toasted bread. So to this, we are going to add our egg salad. And I like a relatively thick egg salad sandwich. And so there we go. Now, how does that look? Doesn't that look delicious? So let's give this a try. So now that we've got everything together, let's give this a try. Oh yeah, definitely worth all the effort. Definitely going to be making this again because I do love a good egg salad sandwich. So I want to thank everybody for watching. For my new viewers, I want to say welcome. Remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And as always, remember, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And so until next time,